see the password here.
See, so this is what it looks like.
Oh, really? Let me see this.
Since it doesn't have an LCD camera.
This thing.
Yeah. So
Since it doesn't, so you use your phone to see what you're recording?
Yeah, or you don't have to use your phone. You could just carry it on and hopefully you're in the frame.
And how come you didn't get one with the LCD camera? Because it was...
Well, that one is like really
smaller. That's
yeah.
what I was going to say. This is smaller
and
and
like
convenient. And it's easier when you're doing your stuff to kind of be more discreet, right? And subtle instead of having a big camera, right?
Yeah.
So you just got to make sure it's like kind of in the frame. But you can edit that, right?
Well, it depends if your head's cut off. No.
No, obviously not. But you can edit it a little bit left and right or whatever. But yeah, if your head's missing, you definitely can't. You draw a little stick figure. Okay. Hi. This is actually super cool. Super cool.
It's nice that it's waterproof too, so you can take it
into the water. Oh, that's cool.
Beach or whatever.
Cool. That is very cool. I'm impressed. Okay, here we go.
Come on.
Nice to meet you. I'll take care of her, don't worry. I won't get it. Oh, did we give your mom the keys?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gave it to my mom.
The keys, yeah, the keys. Oh, I should make sure it's locked.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Sorry, what did you say?
She's been to Toronto so many times.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And if anyone's going to get another one in trouble, it's going to be her getting me in trouble. See you guys.
Come on. Yeah, it's parked right over there.
Well, it seems...
We're going to be late anyway.
It seems so nice.
For?
Out here right now, the weather.
Oh, yeah. Well, here it's going to be nice. It's going to be like 24.
I know. Is it 24?
Yeah. Well, on like Saturday or something.
Wow.
That's my friend Kasha. She said she's met you before multiple times. You probably don't remember.
No.
Sorry to make you wait.
It's all good. I called my dad anyways.
Like how much cheaper?
Like $60 cheaper.
Oh, wow. Do you have to tip an Uber?
Yes, if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't have to, but they probably expect it, eh?
Oh my gosh. I'm like mildly concussed.
Mildly concussed. It's good lighting with the sun. Is that blinding you?
No. No, it's not.
I literally just got out of the shower. My hair's still wet.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't have time to dry it?
Well, I dried it like halfway, then I had to do my laundry. He still had to change.
Yes. Yeah. It was a little bit dirty. So I had to put on some fresh clothes. Comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes. Did you bring just one pair of shoes?
Oh, no. No.
Like 6 pairs.
How many pairs of shoes did you bring?
I can only...
One you're wearing?
One, because that's all that can fit.
I was going to do the same as you and bring only one.
Yeah.
But I had so much room, so I brought 2 pairs.
Whoa.
Because I had so much room.
Fancy.
It was so easy to pack. My toiletries are a toothbrush. That's it.
I couldn't even, I bought new clothes from Pennington's, like a jean jacket, something different than what I regularly wear, and I couldn't even pack it with me because it won't fit.
Oh yeah.
It sucks.
Pack smart, roll it.
I did roll it, and it was still heavy as hell.
No,
So
didn't
I
roll
I don't understand how you girls can like go for that 5 days and not take a large suitcase. Like seriously, like.
Well, usually I do have a suitcase, but I just don't want to. I mean, if we were there longer, like a week, then maybe.
Yeah.
But
this is easier how to get in and out.
yeah, I like quick, you know.
Yeah, she likes it quick. hard and quick.
Hard and quick.
Yeah, get right to the point. Okay.
In and out.
Yeah.
No waiting. You excited?
Super excited. Very,
Yay.
very excited. We're gonna have so much fun.
Awesome.
It's gonna be amazing. Amazing.
Well, we'll see you in the next clip. Bye.
Then there's an ad. I offer rides to the airport.
I have a small Hyundai.
Well, it said it was an ad of like, we'll pick you up from the airport, we'll drop you off.
Oh, okay. I'm sure
Yeah.
a lot of people actually do that.
Yeah.
A lot, yeah.
I mean, it's a business.
Of course.
Yeah.
No, sure.
It's
Guess we're not.
Okay.
It's not like just some random guy with, like they're licensed and everything.
Everybody's a random guy anyhow. Like really. Like they're all randoms.
I will pick you up and take you where you want to go.
Wait. Oh yeah, okay. I'm debating if I have
How
everything.
much did that cost to do that?
45.
45?
Plus, I figure he'll be able to. I told him that we need a couple of stops, like the grocery store or something.
Oh, you said that'd be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Let's just hope he doesn't take off
With our luggage. With my MCM luggage and my LV.
No, like carry that around. Seriously, I'll carry it.
I will
Seriously.
wheel my beverages in here.
Can you imagine? Imagine if you lost that?
I
Brand
know.
new fancy luggage hasn't been used.
Finally using my MCM backpack. Yay!
Ooh, I have no idea what that is.
I don't too.
You don't either?
No.
Well,
It's a German brand.
Miss Philly does. That's what counts. We'll ask her all about that later.
Limited drinks.
And
or
food.
unlimited. Yeah, and free snacks and
Oh,
food.
that must be situation.
And it was all by accident. I never paid for it, nothing. I'm going to do it here so that you guys know.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. There we go.
Thank you.
Okay, you know me. I know you get your right angle. I know I have to hold the dot.
Let's get this thing out.
Okay. Am I taking a picture first?
No. Oh,
Yeah.
sure.
I don't know if it's on recording or what. Sorry, the light is right in the thing.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
We'll do the recording first.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're here at the Winnipeg Airport. We're on our way to Toronto. So, yay!
Hey
Excited?
everybody. Super excited. Can't wait.
Yeah, just 2-hour flight and we'll be there.
Mexico and other places.
Okay.
They really added on a big part of it, eh?
Yeah. You haven't been here since they've renovated?
No.
Oh. At the airport.
Hello.
Yay!
Who's our carrier?
WestJet.
WestJet.
Yeah. Got our passport and boarding passes. No checking in luggage.
Nice. Here we go.
Because
Here we go.
we have all our luggage
We
there.
got it all right here. Look at this. She's got some fancy stuff.
A little bit.
Hello.
You haven't been here since it's been renovated, right?
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I cannot believe how nice it is.
This is the final
What a
boarding call
difference.
for Air Canada Flight 270 to Toronto. All customers should now be off.
Yeah. Want to sit over here?
Sure. Where'd we go?
Oh, over there.
That place there?
Or there's lots of places.
Oh, at that end? Okay. Is it just end kind of here and nothing goes that way? That's Starbucks and that's it?
I haven't been down there. I know there's some here, but there should be lots of places here.
Let's go look. You
Yeah,
wanna walk around?
okay.
We have time. Super excited.
Air Canada making final call PH for Toronto passenger Robert.
Oh wow, the
Harvey.
Plaza Premium
Robert
Lounge.
Harvey, please identify.
We're not allowed in there.
No, we're not bougie yet.
Ashley got kicked out.
Did you?
No, I said Ashley got
Oh,
kicked out.
I probably did.
She got out of control.
Something at Starbucks or actually food?
I gotta eat food. I haven't eaten. Eat something. That's crazy that they had something like that.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Well, you know, sometimes people need chargers or they won't have
want better stuff.
headphones.
They want high quality, better stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Well, you just have to have Beats headphones. You have to.
Have to.
Just for this flight.
Just $300.
Yeah, just for this flight. And then I'll throw them away. We don't need them anymore. Red River News Express. Another little. We should just went to the restaurant. Look at that. All the burgers, like 4 pounds.
Okay,
oh my
that's
god.
okay.
This is like 3 pounds and like smoking hot. But this, like, I've
a little
never
cup.
seen a French fry container like that. This is like the cup the dentist gives you to rinse your mouth. Okay.
Yeah.
I got a dentist cup of fries. Actually, maybe that's a good thing. That's hilarious.
Yeah. Look at that burger.
Look at it.
Ugh, that looks so good.
It's like 14,000 calories. That's this burger one. Huge. Hi.
We're on our way to Toronto. What did you get?
I shouldn't show
No.
because I'm a trainer. I'm the trainer at Life After. Got a bag of chips. I got a crispy crunch.
You did.
And I got Starburst. I love candy.
And you're supposed to be working me out.
Yeah. That's why we have to work so hard. Because of the candy.
Yes.
Here we go.
Here we go.
We're on our way. Officially. Walking down the ramp. Taking our luggage that we weren't going to check, but now we checked.
Yeah, we were like, we're not going to check any luggage in. But
No, really quick and smart.
okay, I just wanted to share my accomplishment that I actually fit in the seat this time. And I actually have like look at this. It can actually go down. Before, like last time I was on an airplane, I could not like put the seat, what do you call this? Tray down. So
Food tray.
thanks to him.
Big.
Thank
It's
you.
a big accomplishment. Very
you.
proud of her. Very proud of her.
And look at all the space in between, like
Damn.
so much space.
You could fit somebody to sit on that.
Exactly.
Sit on you. Give you a lap dance. There we go.
There we go.
There we go. We're up. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Can we go see the cockpit, Mom? Come on, please, please.
Okay, so we're gonna read this comment.
What's her name? Soraya. OMG. Miss Philly. Holy fuck. Kilig. Po aka sa inyu bagay po tagalaga kayo.
Close. It's actually
What does it say?
kilig po ako sa inyo. Bagay po talaga kayo.
Oh, it sounded actually way nicer and better when you said it. What does that mean? What does that mean?
It means I love watching your videos. You're so pretty.
Like, are your ears popping too? Yeah, yeah. My ears are popping big time.
Just go like
Yawn.
You're getting good at that.
Yeah, exactly. Huh? Girls, you like that? Let's cut that out.
Okay, we're getting off the plane.
Hi, we're here.
Yay.
We're so excited.
So excited.
My butt's a little sweaty from the flight though. We're scaring people again like usual around us.
Let's walk a little
A
faster.
little weirdos. Pull out the hula hoop. Scare them away. Very, very, very weird. Look at this. Just traveling light. Look,
Traveling
perfect,
light
huh?
with nothing.
Nice. This is all we need. I got my underwear and my socks in here. We're good.
Toothbrush.
Yeah, toothbrush, fork. Remember what I said.
Yeah.
You need to have more than one pair of underwear or just don't have any.
Yes.
So we're good. I got 4. We're good. Don't get me playing my stupid game.
Nerd.
I gotta play my little gay war game. All my buddies in Europe.
We're in Toronto.
Nice.
We made it safe and sound.
Yeah, it was a little sketchy.
Well,
A little bit, but you know, we're good. We're here.
a little bit cold here though.
Yes, definitely. 0. It's supposed to go down to 0 tomorrow at night.
Yeah.
0. No, it's not happening. Let's go back to Winnipeg. Get on the plane. Two, right?
Is that where the fitness center is?
Yeah. Now look, here's the one. This is John Street right here, and this is where you are. And it says 3 is a restaurant place, Morago. 4, Buonanotte Italian. 5, Italian Kit Kat. 9, Obi Canteen and Luma, that's Canadian. 16, Montecito Italian. 12, Penelope Greek. I wonder why it doesn't say that one on here. Oh, this John Street has lots. See, that's I'm just kidding. Hi.
We're
Look at
at-
how good this looks.
Yeah.
Our first meal in Toronto.
First meal.
Starving from our flight.
I haven't eaten anything since 1 p.m.
She
except
hasn't
for
eaten anything, yeah.
except for the chocolate and the pretzels.
There we go. And then we walked like 20 minutes just to find a restaurant.
Yeah. Here we are. Hi.
So nice.
That's a good lighting.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. Look at how young we look.
We
So
did.
beautiful.